We're in Aquileia, which is a very ancient Roman site here in northern Italy. And we are in the Basilica, which is one of the earliest Christian sites. In fact, it was considered to be quite a headquarters for Christianity, particularly on the lines of the Vatican. It was considered to be of equal power until wars and earthquakes and diseases, epidemics decimated the population and pretty much took down the power of this area and the ruling pope of sorts.